Alright guys, let's make some bread pizza. Welcome. So get some onions, some tonfish, as much as you want, and some green olives. I love green olives, they are very delicious. Some maize, some corn, sweet corn, and I bought this from an imbis where they sell meat, and I'm going to also be using it. I bought this for €5. I didn't know they were going to actually sell for me anyways, but they sold for me. I bought only meat, and of course we are going to be needing some tomatoes. Go ahead and divide your bread in twos equally. Do not make one smaller than. Try as much as possible to make that very, very equal. Once you finish that, you set that aside. You bring out your baking pan and put your baking peppers, and then you arrange the broaching of the bread inside it, and then you roast it for 5 minutes. Guys, don't roast it more than that. And as you're roasting it, I'm going to tell you what happened. So a friend of mine called me that he will be visiting me, and I've not seen him for 4 years, and he has a new child that I have not even seen, and I didn't want to just give an excuse of I'm tired. And I was just thinking, what do I do? Even if I have food in the freezer, I don't want to bring it out to make. Okay guys, this is also mozzarella pizza, mozzarella for pizza, tomato. So all the things that you're using that are wet, you're going to take out the water and make sure they are dry. And this is the broaching. You want to make sure that it is dry and crispy so that it doesn't gum together and it will come out very nice. So the basin, the topping of it, you can use anything that you want to use to top this anyway. So the first thing you want to go with is your tomatoes. And guys, watch and enjoy the video. So I haven't seen him for a very long time, and normally when we come back we just look for something and eat. And I wasn't planning to also cook today. I was planning to tell my husband that we'll just go out and eat, or after work we'll just eat something, then we'll get home and we'll just sleep. But because they are coming, I said okay, since if we go out, my husband will probably eat pizza or he will eat salad. So let me just make something that is similar to that. I know my husband is not going to like this anyway, but he's going to eat one piece. We are 5 in numbers. He's coming with his 3 kids, his wife and himself. He's 5, sorry. And then we are 7. Then my husband and I'm going to eat one. My husband is going to eat one. So everybody's just probably going to take one. It's 8 pieces. And anybody that still have space inside his or her stomach can have 2 or can have the rest. So guys, this is a very simple thing to do. And once you put everything, you go ahead, look at the way it is looking. I have put all the ingredients apart from the queso. So you leave this inside your oven for another 15 minutes for it to be very, very dry and nice before you put your queso. Queso is something that you're going to put last. What is queso called in English? I want to know. What do you think queso? What is queso called in English? I don't know. But this is cheese. Cheese. Yes, this is cheese. Mozzarella cheese. This is a special cheese for pizza that I bought. So you're going to add it back inside the oven, and you're going to allow this cheese to melt. The way it's going to melt is going to be how fast it's going to melt is actually going to be the hotness of your. Sure that your oven is very, very hot by the time you are going to be putting them back inside the oven. So you're just going to allow that, and this is what I have at the end of the day. So we ate, we enjoyed our meal. Everybody just took one, and then we had something to drink. I made some smoothies that I have inside the freezer, so they had something to drink, and everybody just took it. We gisted and laughed and caught up with the old times. And it was a very nice evening. Thank you so much, guys. If you love this recipe, do not forget to comment and let me know if you are going to be trying this. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye.